The Bosch Tassimo Suny Black Edition. Quick tour. The on-off switch is rather hidden, it's just here on the side. And when you switch it on, all three LEDs flash on just to show they're working. This is the good condition. Just the top orange LED is working. That shows the machine's ready, no problems. If there was a shortage of water, the middle red light would be on. So just water container. And if the bottom red light was on, that would be a problem. Either needs cleaning or descaling or something else. There's the water container. Just slips up. And there's the floating magnet. When the water level gets too low, this is only half full now, the magnet drops, and that's what switches on the red LED on the front. Now to put it back, kind of push it against the side so it slides down. Nice and easy. Last thing, on the side here you've got the slot for your descaling disc, the yellow descaling disc, cleaning disc. Don't lose that. And you've also, underneath it, you've got the instructions, but there's probably better to watch the videos. So let's make some coffee. Well, first we'll see the drip tray. You can either leave it out completely, you can put it in at the bottom, or if you've just got a little cup, you can put it up halfway. So remember the way the machine works is it reads these barcodes, and that barcode tells the type of pod it is, whether it's milk or coffee, how much water to send through, at what temperature. There's a little window up here which has to be kept clean. That's the barcode reader. The disc going upside down with the tab facing towards me now, and it kind of goes down with the kind of a scissor action. Put the cup underneath. Now this whole back panel is in fact the switch. Can you see? This whole back panel is the switch. So you can either press on it here, or they call it intelligent switching on. You just tap the back of the machine like that with the cup, and it starts. So we can see there the milk's coming freely. Remember, you're recommended to shake the milk T-disc. In fact, I shake both of them. So that's coming out very freely, it's not spluttering. And that steam is part of the auto clean. They do both. If you make, say, coffee one time with this machine, and then you make maybe hot chocolate or tea, you shouldn't be able to taste the previous drink. So the LED is still flashing. I'm normally that patient, so it stopped flashing, so it's finished. Lift it up. I put the coffee in now, and you can tell it's a new pod. It hasn't been pierced for a start, but when you do get, you can tell the difference between a used coffee pod and an unused one by how light the color is. This is a light color. It's not wet. The coffee's dry. That's visible. Okay, so I put that in, close this down. So the orange LED is flashing away now, and you can hear that noise, which in the morning I kind of like. It kind of part of my waking up process. So there's the coffee coming through. Orange light still flashing. It's spluttering away. There's the steam, that's the so-called cleaning cycle. I prefer the Kenko tea discs. They're slightly cheaper to Costa. I practically always make cappuccino, by the way. Rarely latte or whatever, an espresso. And that's it. The only problem I found with this making coffee this way is it's rather spoilt me for drinking coffee anywhere else in cafes or anything. This is the coffee I really like.